Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to quit a fan club. Right, so if you join a fan club and you're wondering how you can quit it so that you can remove yourself from that fan club, this video is for you. So I was actually worried on how to do that, so I had to click on my profile icon at the bottom right corner, and then I clicked on help right here, and then the next thing I did was that I had to click on the message feedback at the bottom right corner, and then in this space right here I had to ask, can I quit fan club? So after typing this, I clicked on consult and select others, and then I submitted this question. All right, so within some minutes I got a feedback, so I clicked on my feedback at the bottom left corner, and then this was the response I got. So here it says that dear user, kindly note that members of the fan club cannot be removed. They can only wait for expiration date. So this means that you can't remove yourself from a fan club. Only the group host can manually delete members. So if you want to quit a fan club, you have to ask the group host or the fan group host to remove you. All right, and once you are removed, you cannot re-enter the fan group or fan club. Right, so that's it. So this is how you actually have to go about it if you want to quit a fan club. Right, so that's it guys. Hope this was helpful and you now know how to do it. If yes, give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.